Hello, my dear students. Now, my next question of exercise 3.5. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the field of the rectangle. So dimensions we have calculated. Dimensions in the question that is given length and breadth. So we will assume firstly length and breadth of the rectangle. So the length of rectangle we will take it as x, and the breadth of the rectangle we will take it as y. According to the first condition, if the area of rectangle, so according to that conditions, area will be area of rectangle, it will be L into B. L into B means x multiplied by y, that is xy square units. So according to the given condition, what is given in the question, if the length is reduced by 5, length means x is reduced by 5, x minus 5, and breadth is increased by, length is this, breadth is increased by 3 units, y plus 3, then area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square units. What is the area? Length multiplied by breadth means the product of these two is equals to area. Actual area is xy. It get reduced by 9 square units. Xy minus 9. Open the brackets. Xy, and the other one is 3x. 3 into x is 3x minus 5y minus 15 equals to xy minus 9. Xy will be cancelled out, and take minus 15 on the other side. You will get 3x minus 5y equals to plus 15 minus 9, that is equals to 3x minus 5y equals to 6. That will be the my first equation. Now, according to the second condition given in the question, if we increase the length by, 3 units means x plus 3 I am doing, and breadth by 2 units, breadth is increased by 2 units, the area increases by 67 units. Area is xy, and according to that area will be length into breadth, this multiplied by this will be increased by 67 square units means plus 67. When you multiply it, you will get xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equals to xy plus 67. Xy cancelled out, take 6 on the other side. You will get 2x plus 3y equals to 67 minus 6 implies 2x plus 3y equals to 61. So that will be the equation number 2. Now I am going to apply again the cross multiplication method. You can choose any method, because in the question that is given, choose any method. So what will I do? 3x minus 5y 6 and 2x plus 3y equal to 61. First column, second column, third column. Then 2 3 1 2 method. What is in the second column? The coefficient, that is minus 5 and 3. And third column, 6 and 61, write it here. Under the 1, write the first column elements, that is 3 and 2. And under the second column, write the second column element, that is minus 5 and 3. Now up to down, minus 5 into 61 will be minus 305. Look at this. And 6 multiplied by 3 is equals to minus 6 3 is the 18. 3 6 the 18, and sign of minus between them. Similarly for y and similarly for minus 1. So first is the, you can see here, first is the house for x, and second is for, these are for y, and the third one is for minus 1. Similarly, x over minus 305 minus 18, y over 6 to the 12 minus 183, and minus 1 over 9 plus 10. So according to that, x over this, y over this, and minus 1 over this. After calculating, you are getting minus 323, here minus 171, and here minus 1 over 19. Now you are having two equal sign. We can't solve it simultaneously, so I will take the first and the last part, and the other one I will take the second and the last part. Second and the last, first and the last. And now you can see minus 323 will go on the other side, multiply, it will be multiplied by minus 1 over 19. Minus minus will be plus, and 19, 17 is the 323. Similarly, take 171 on the other side, minus minus plus, 19, 9 is the 171. So the length of the rectangle is 17 units. That is the value of x, and here the value of y. But in the main assumption part, what we have taken as x, length of the rectangle was x and the breadth of the rectangle was y. So x we have calculated as 17 and breadth we have calculated as 9. So the length of the rectangle in the declaration part is 17 units and the breadth of the rectangle is 9 units. So that is the answer, and that we have to find, and by the cross multiplication. So that was the last question of my exercise. Thank you very much.